Assalamu alaikum. Dear children, we have started our lesson number 1.2, Odd One In. In this lesson, you have seen that Malti is a new girl in Rima's class. Her appearance is not so good, she doesn't look so smart, and Rima doesn't like Malti because of her appearance and she could not speak good English. So, Rima and her friend always used to make fun of her. Rima's children always instructed him not to make fun of a new girl in your class, and she may be good in other subjects and may be cleverer and smarter. But Rima doesn't accept it. What happens when the teacher entered in the class and asked question about the subject? It was Malti raising hand again and again and giving the answer correctly. When Rima returned at his home, her mother said and recounted this at home. She told the story what happened in the class. When she told all this story to her mother said that Malti really looks like a clever girl. Then after, what did Rima says? Let's see. In your textbook, page number 4, you can also watch it on your screen. What is the use? Said Rima uncharitably. Rima answers her mother uncharitably, matlab without showing any affection. Rudely, she says. Her English is so atrocious. Atrocious means, you can see the meaning of atrocious in your textbook and on the screen also. Atrocious means of very poor quality. Here it means of very poor quality. Rima doesn't like Malti because her English is of very poor quality. She can't pronounce the English words properly. She used to say good morning teacher. And how do we say good morning teacher? We say quickly good morning teacher. And there is a much difference between these two pronunciation. So Rima doesn't like Malti. The same may be said of your Hindi. Then mother says to Rima that your Hindi is also not so good. She also can make fun of your Hindi. Countered Mr. Sen sharply. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Both her father and mother were not happy with Rima's attitude towards Malti. Even Mr. Sen did not like it. That night, Rima's parents discussed the matter. We put Rima in a good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid she is turning into quite a little snob. Snob means to judge someone by outer appearance. Snob. What do her parents think? Her parents think that Rima has become a snob. She judges the person only by its outer appearance. She doesn't like to see what is good in the character of that person. So she has become a snob, said Mr. Sen sadly. They were sad about it. The following Saturday was the inter-house singing competition. Rima, who was participating in English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants for the Hindi song category. When Rima came to know that Malti is also taking participation in the singing competition in Hindi, she was very surprised. And what she said? See, oily plates sings also. What was her words? She said snidely to Claire. She said to her friend in a nasty manner. Snidely means in a nasty manner. बहुत गंदे तरीके से उसने अपनी फ्रेंड क्लेयर से कहा कि ये ऑयली प्लेट्स वाली लड़की गाती भी है क्या? Croaks you mean, giggled Claire. Claire also made fun of her and laughed at her, and what she said, croaks you mean. Croaks means to make sound like frog. They were making fun of Malti. They were to be proved wrong. What this means? That वो दोनों भी गलत साबित होने वाले थे. कैसे? Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. Malti's voice was very much melodious, sweet. Rima and her gang had decided to jeer when Malti sang. Jeer means to make fun, make rude remarks in a loud voice. You can see the meaning of jeer in your textbook. It is given there. To make remarks in a loud sound. I mean, someone is singing or giving speech so loud in between to disturb him or her. Rima and her gang had decided to cheer when Malti sang, but there was such a absolute silence that they did not dare. But there was so much silence that they could not dare to did this. They were sure to get caught. They might be caught, so they do not dare to do that. When Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping. First of all, the principal stand up and started clapping as soon as Malti finished her song, followed by teachers and students. Teachers and students also gave applauses to the Malti. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Malti also won the first prize for singing in Hindi song category. Rima did come first in her category. Somehow she felt no joy. Rima also won the first prize in her English song category, but she was not happy. Why? As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. Malti was really an intelligent girl. She was quite studious and intelligent. She fared well in sports as well as in studies. She was good in studies also, and she was also good in other school activities also. Her forte was mathematics. Forte means something that someone excels in. जब कोई इंसान किसी चीज़ की उसको बहुत पैशन रहता है और उसमें बहुत स्किल कर लेता है, प्रोग्रेस करता है, तो वो उसका फोर्ट रहता है, उसका एम्बिशन रहता है. एंड हर फोर्ट, मालतीज फोर्ट वॉज मैथमेटिक्स. हर सिंपल अपीयरेंस बिलाइड अ शार्प एंड निम्बल माइंड. उसका सादा सा जो दिखने वाला सिंपल जो अपीयरेंस था, उसमें एक निम्बल माइंड था. निम्बल मीन्स ग्रास्पिंग माइंड, टेकिंग माइंड, एब्जॉर्बिंग माइंड, जो किसी भी चीज़ को जल्दी एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है, ग्रास्प कर लेता है, अंडरस्टैंड कर लेता है. निम्बल ब्रेन. स्लोली मैनी ऑफ द गर्ल्स बिगेन सीकिंग हर हेल्प इन मैथमेटिक्स. Many of her friends were taking help in mathematics from Malti. Help which she readily and cheerfully gave. And that help was given by Malti very happily, not showing any attitude. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. The students who are honest, who are obedient, who are intelligent too, respectful, the teachers also like such students naturally. Now, girls from the class also befriended her. Now, the girls who were being away from her, who were not understanding her, who didn't like her, making friend with her. Now, Rima and her clique, though they stubbornly disliked Malti. Rima and her clique, a small group of friends who do not allow others to join them. A group of friends जो अपने ही ग्रुप में रहते हैं, दूसरे गर्ल्स को, दूसरे स्टूडेंट्स को अपने ग्रुप में आने नहीं देते हैं. दे स्टबर्नली डिसलाइक्ड मालती, वो बहुत ज़्यादा मालती को डिसलाइक करते थे. दे वेयर अ स्टाइलिश लॉट एंड नथिंग दैट मालती डिड could alter the fact that she was not their type, and Malti was a simple girl. She was not of their type. They never lost a chance to poke fun on her. They always used to make fun of her whenever they get a chance, particularly her English, and they make fun of her English. Malti felt bad about their behavior. One day she was on the verge of tears when Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said ask instead of ask. We say ask, and what did Malti pronounce? Ask. So Rima make a fun of her. Rima mocked at her, and Malti was on the verge. Verge means the tears were in her eyes, on the edge. उसकी आँखों के किनारे पर ही आंसू आ गए थे. Because of her mocking. Her voice trembling, Malti said, I know my English is weak, yours is good. What did Malti said to Rima? That my English is weak and yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? क्या तुम मेरी मदद करोगी इसे इम्प्रूव करने में? I won't be able to help you, my dear. Who said this? Rima answered, such in a rude manner. I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you countrified types. Countrified means belonging to a rural area. गांव की लड़की जो लोग विलेज में रहते हैं. She said to Malti like that. Insulted Malti by saying that it is not easy to learn English like you countrified girls. What happened then? Malti's face turned red. When somebody insults you, how do you feel? Your face fall red. She wanted to retort but could not find the right words. Malti also wanted to give her a sharp reply, but she could not find words. She was so much upset. She burst into tears and ran off. जब उसको कुछ भी कहते नहीं आया तो क्या हुआ? वो रोते हुए वहाँ से भाग गई. That was horrid, Rima, said Shehnaz. Shehnaz is also one of Rima's friend, but she too said that was horrid, Rima. That was terrible. You don't have to do this. तुमने उसके साथ बहुत बुरा किया. Yes, agreed Neha and Claire roundly. और बाकी के जो फ्रेंड्स थे, नेहा एंड क्लेयर, उन्होंने भी शहनाज का साथ दिया. Rima was shocked. Rima was surprised. Her own friends had turned against her. अब क्या हो गया था? उसके जो खुद के फ्रेंड थे वो भी उसके अगेंस्ट में हो गए थे. She walked off in a huff. और वो वहाँ से गुस्से में चली गई. Mrs. Sen found her subdued over lunch but decided not to ask anything. Her father, Mr. Sen, understood that Rima is looking quiet and silent. Subdued means quiet, silent. She was looking upset. But he did not ask anything. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. रीमा को भी पता था कि उसने मालती के साथ बहुत बुरा बिहेवियर किया है, बहुत बैड बिहेवियर किया है. शी वॉज टू प्राउड टू एडमिट इट, बट शी वॉज इन सच ए एटीट्यूड दैट शी वॉज नॉट रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट इट इवन टू हर सेल्फ. वो जानती थी लेकिन वो उसको एक्सेप्ट नहीं कर पा रही थी. सो दिस इज़ अ लेसन taken from the odd one in written by Tithi Tavora. Here is at the end of lesson. The story doesn't end here. It's a long story. There may be a different end to this story. If you may write, you have to write the end of this story in your own words. What may have happened, what might have happened, you can write in your own words, imagining your own ideas. So we shall stop here, and in the next lecture, in the next period, we shall see English workshop and solve the exercises. Till then, goodbye. Allah Hafiz.